Hi and welcome to Plentiful Gardens. Today I'm going to show you how I'm transplanting some amaranth. I have a lot of amaranth that are coming up on my corn and bean raised bed. And this year, instead of just cutting them, I decided to transplant the amaranth in front of the corn. So the first step that I did was I prepared the soil by giving it a good watering. And then I did a single digging. So I just put the fork down and loosen up the soil in front of the corn. After I loosened up the soil, I made the holes where the amaranth was going to be transplanted, and I put some bone meal in the hole just to help the plants. And then I just carefully removed one of the plants and put them against the soil and gently cover it with the soil. I was trying my best not to touch the roots as much as I could as I was going along. Then I just went down the row. Every 6 inches, I transplanted a plant. And this is one of the amaranth roots. And even the roots are very colorful. It's just a very beautiful plant. And 3 reasons why I wanted to keep the amaranth this season is because they're a good source of protein. And that's one of the things I'm trying to optimize this season is to grow more crops that have really good source of protein. The other reason why I wanted to keep the amaranth around is because a lot of the plant is edible. So the leaves when they're young, you can eat them in salads, you can eat them raw, and they're really tender and they're more like lettuce tasting. As the plant matures and the leaves get tougher, you can cook them like spinach. And the third reason why I wanted to grow amaranth this season is because I really want to use the seeds and pop them like popcorn. We haven't tried them yet, so it'd just be nice to save some of the seeds and eat them like popcorns. And as I'm planting along, I make sure that the roots are going straight down. I make sure that the where the plant is going to be planted in is well watered and moist. And I put some bone meal inside the hole. And then I just gently put the plant in, and I gently put the soil around it and pat it very gently to get rid of any air gaps. These are the amaranthum that I transplanted a couple of days ago, and some are doing pretty well. Like this one's perking up, and this one seems that it transplanted okay. Pretty much the top, let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 transplanted pretty well. They're doing okay, but there's a few that did not do well at all. For example, this one, the leaves are super sad and they're just dying. So I don't know if it's going to come back. I'm gonna leave it in place for a few more days and see. This one's doing well, it's just perky. This one got damaged. I'm not too sure what happened here. Maybe somebody stepped on it accidentally, or I broke it, or yeah, I'm not too sure. This one's doing okay. The leaves are getting wilted though, so I don't know if that's because it's getting hotter. And yeah, this one's doing pretty good, and this one's not doing so well. The leaf is getting wilted, and this one's coming off, and so is this one. So I'm gonna give it a couple more days to see how they do, and I still have more to transplant, so I'll be doing that in the next couple of days. Thank you for watching, and happy gardening.